Hi. For my biology role model project, I chose Nina Tandon, PhD/MBA. So, as a child, she did many science experiments with her siblings, and that was just a lot of her childhood. So, she was inspired by her siblings' conditions. One of her siblings was colorblind, and one of her siblings had night blindness due to a retina disease. So, she also started taking college STEM classes at 14, so this really got her involved in the science field. So, education wise, she received her electrical engineering degree from Cooper Union in New York, her bioelectrical engineering degree from MIT, her biomedical engineering PhD from Columbia University, and then her master's in business administration, also from Columbia University. So, the main obstacle she talked about in different interviews was that this is a field of men, and there's a lot of men who don't understand a woman in the field. And then she also stated that she deals with imposter syndrome and feeling like she's not good enough or she's not like where she's supposed to be. And then, oops, hobbies she mentioned from her Instagram or like in her Instagram bio are rock climbing, yoga, marathons, surfing, and traveling. I look up to her because it seems like nothing stops her. She always keeps pushing for more. She's always working on her next project or her next like goal. I identify with her because she's a woman and she knows what she wants and she's working to go meet her goals. Her field, she is in biomedical engineering. The question/topic she focuses on is bone and cartilage growth in lab for implantation. So she grows different tissues with the plan to implant it into different patients to help improve their longevity and help fix different bodily issues. So, in one article that she was co author on, Nina and her colleagues found that, or they studied the diversification of stem cells and according to its position. So this is just a quote from the abstract of that paper called Alternative Direct Cell Stem Derivatives Defined by Cell Location and Graded WNT Signaling. So one of the figures from this paper, this is part of figure 1, letter I, shows how many undifferentiated cells are in different stem cell layers, and they used this to study when cells differentiate, what cells differentiate, how they differentiate. So her current findings/current work, bone and cartilage growth in a lab to implant into patients. She's also currently the CEO of EpiBone, which does this work and has funds for this work. She recently wrote about translational strategies relating to her field, so how to do these studies, how to do the experiments, etc. She's also in the process of trying to get funds for knee cartilage research, which she talked about in a TED Talk. Um, they are trying to grow and then implant knee cartilage to like reduce the need for like knee replacements with like metal and such. And then Nina is just making large steps toward being able to implant different human tissues. And then there's more information on her website. She also includes videos of all the interviews she's done and different papers she's written. Yeah, thank you. And then here are my references.